that, Quinn?
Piggy. Do you know that?
What is that?
Piggy. It's a present. This is a viewmaster.
Piggy. Picture. What did you just see?
Piggy.
Penguin?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, penguin? Really? Can I see? Can I see in there? Can I see in your inside?
Mommy.
Here. Let me see. You know what that is? That's a baba penguin with 2 babies. Those penguins, the baba takes care of the babies.
What is it?
Can you do another one?
Corn is harvested in the fall.
Corn?
What is it?
We have corn here.
Corn?
This is just the demo tape.
Oh.
The demo reel. The demo tape.
Indiana wildlife.
It looks just like the window. Hey, look, Quinn, can I show you something? Okay, so this, you can, now watch Mommy, okay? See this? Can you pull that straight out for Mommy? Pull it straight up. Okay. Now, here's another one. Okay. This, I think goes like this.
What is that?
Well, let's see what that is. Can you look at that for Mommy? Do the same thing. Put it up to your eyes. Now push that. What was that?
I see the picture.
It sounds like that, huh? Do another one.
Yeah.
You're right. Oh, it's a mommy and a baby giraffe.
Yeah.
You want to go show Baba these? These are super cute.
Yeah.
Giraffe,
Baba?
really?
Really?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So Quinn, you got to keep this with this, okay? We'll probably have other ones, and this holds all your reels, okay? Elephant. Mommy and baby. Maybe Baba and baby.
That's
huh?
really fun, Quinn.
Baba.
I'm gonna go heat up my coffee.
Tell what is it?
Oh, yeah.
What is it? Look at the picture.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
The hippopotamus.
Oh, yeah? How many?
Hippopotamus.
How many?
2.
2. 2. You know what that is, though? That's a rhinoceros.
Yeah, what?